hospitality. Let's clap for this man, CEO of Indian Hotels. ये तो आधी क्लैप है, मजा नहीं आ रहा हॉस्पिटैलिटी में, तो और जोर से ताली बजाते हैं. For the hotel industry, things were tough. It was almost like a dark zone in COVID. So from a brink of survival, it was revival, it's flourish, and now it's high growth. What is happening and why is it happening?
Thank you, Nikunj. I think there are several factors. Let me first say India changed. The way India managed the crisis was possibly exemplary for the world. And then coming out of the crisis, the world also started changing. You know, people started calling it YOLO, or they called it Zindagi na milegi dobara, or whatever you want to. So that's factor number one. Factor two, hardly any new supply got built during COVID. So when your demand is strong and supply is restrained, then obviously your ability to charge is higher because the occupancy rates are good. So I think that's the second most important factor. The third, I think, is as good as it seems, I still feel the best is yet to come, because we are still very seriously lagging on the pre-COVID foreign tourist arrivals. But however they came not in large numbers, but last year events like G20 have done a lot of good for India in positioning India's image and building that soft power. So I think all in all, I think these three factors have contributed very significantly towards the growth of the tourism sector in general, and within that hospitality in particular, because it definitely is benefiting immensely from the growth, and that's a final factor, the growth in infrastructure in the country. When I see here in the audience, right in the first row, the contributions to the infrastructures, to the building of the airports, to the renaissance of the train stations, to this wonderful highways that are coming up, that's creating ease of travel. And it's just the beginning. I think we will see very large momentum coming our way in the next 5 to 10 years.
So if anybody is planning a conference, a wedding, a birthday party, a staycation for next 2 or 3 years, prices will not come down. That is what matters.
See, the pricing levels are good. They've gone up 40, 50, 60% versus pre-COVID. But I still feel they can go up another 30, 40, 50% because of lack of supply. And that will put us somewhere at 40% of the comparable charges that we have in equivalent cities across the globe. So wonderful rates were achieved in Delhi thanks to your summit, thanks to an event happening in Bharat Mandapam, and that's an example of infrastructure growth. Before, those kind of events in that kind of magnitude were not possible. So I think with Yashobhoomi now kicking in, look what's happening in Delhi, look what's happening in Mumbai with Jio, with all over, I think there is a lot that is under preparation and a lot more that will come.
Okay. In terms of where the economy is moving, let me put some data points here. FMCG sales are low, car sales are not happening, shoe sales have hit a peak, but hotel sales are still going on. If everybody is feeling the pinch of economic slowdown, why is the hospitality industry or the hotel industry not feeling the pinch? वहीं पर महंगा हो रहा है.
देखिए, इतनी बारी मत बोलिए कहीं सच्ची में पिंच ना आ जाए. So I think the hospitality, you know, when a country starts to flourish, thrive, becomes number 5, aspiring to be number 4, then wants to be number 3 by 2030. With all those goodies coming in, what's the point if you don't feel good? You don't, you know, what is hotels? Is a place to see and to be seen, right? So you go out to the restaurants, you go to the cruises, you go travel in style, you stay in style, and that is an attribute I would encourage everybody to start getting used to it. Just like you're getting used to higher disposable income, please start getting used to spending money. Especially with us.
Okay. You know,
This was definitely not the time it was like spending money.
ऊपर की वाणी कहते हैं ना, ऊपर की वाणी है. ऊपर देख करके बजर बजाए वाला तो कहीं से. From Indian Hotel, what should we expect in next 3 to 5 years now? Because you've really reinvented the entire chain, which is cumin, ama, moving into low, I would say low hotel, ginger. What we should expect from Indian hotels in next 3 years now?
I think we very proudly call ourselves the custodian of Indian hospitality. And it's very important that Indian Hotels, and that's how Jamshedji Tata called the company, when he founded it much before the first Taj Hotel was built in 1903, that we address the needs and wants of all customer segments and all customer touch points in the country. I think we are on a good way there, and from homestays to absolutely super luxury, and I think we'll keep doing fine.
You know, when the buzzer comes for the second time, it's an indication for me to step out. And Mr. Chatwal, I'll have to rudely interrupt you there. I think the Prime Minister is about to reach the venue, so we'll have to just wrap it up. But thank you very much, Akesh. You've set the tone that customers should not expect any respite.
There'll be a third buzzer on that.
A celebratory one, though.
But maybe we should have Nikunj as our brand ambassador for Taj.